And welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a review on the Wise app. You see, it is the most international money transfer app. You can send money, receive payments from abroad, check exchange rates, pay bills, or send money back home to your loved ones wherever you are, all with the Wise money transfer app. This is the app. You can get it on App Store or Google Play. You can see how exchange rates have changed over time, how the British pound or any currency you need compares to other currencies. For fast and free from hidden fees and exchange rate markups, you can also use the Wise app. You can set up exchange rate notifications to bring you live information so you can keep track of the mid-market rates and send money at the best for you. You can also make repeated transfers without the repetition. Perfect for monthly payments. It is now easier than ever to fund your transfers with Apple Pay and Google Pay, or use a device's camera to enter your card details in a flash. Next, you can open a multi-currency account and get bank account details in 9 currencies, or keep money in your account in about 40 plus currencies. A wonderful list. You can click on this here. Next, they are dedicated to keep your money safe from fraud and make millions of happy customers. There is 2-factor authentication to protect your account, and it's authorized by UK Financial Conduct Authority. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.